Nikki, don't do it.
Do it.
No, do it. Where's the ball? There he is. That's not a touchdown. No, get out of my Tupperware and take your ball out. Nikki. 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 Where's the ball? I don't know. There it is.
Where did it go? See?
No.
Take the ball. See, take the ball.
Have you had enough with the ball? What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you mean get up? No. Nikki. Yeah, watch what? Are you stuck? You did it, you little brat. Are you going to email your friends? Soccer?